Welcome to AI for Executives, brought to you by Chameleon, where we explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping industries, unlocking new growth opportunities, and transforming the way executives lead.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking at something, well, truly seismic in AI economics. It's changing at warp speed, really. Just think about OpenAI recently slashing the price of its top model, O3, by a massive 80%. That's huge.
Oh, absolutely. It's way more than just a discount. It completely flips the script for businesses, for enterprise leaders. It used to be, what AI can we afford right now?
Right.
But now with prices dropping like this, the real question is, okay, how fast, how aggressively can we scale AI for tomorrow? Mm-hmm. And what's really interesting is seeing those old trade-offs vanish. Speed versus precision, cost versus complexity. They're fading fast because compute is just getting so much cheaper.
It's a total rethink.
Exactly.
So, okay, if AI is getting this cheap, what's the actual strategic move for businesses automating things now? What should you be thinking about?
It honestly feels like the ground's moving. I mean, a year ago, building really smart multimodal AI agents seemed, well, maybe a bit out there, futuristic even. But our sources are painting a very different picture today. That's right. If you zoom out, the first wave of AI adoption was often these sort of siloed assistants, right? Like one AI for customer service emails, maybe another for drafting reports.
Yes, separate tools for separate jobs.
Precisely. But the future, and this is the really key insight, it isn't about these lonely AI agents anymore. It's about them working together seamlessly, like a proper digital team.
And that's where it becomes truly transformative, isn't it? That collaborative piece is the real kicker from what we've been reading. Not just one AI, but a whole team working in concert.
Exactly right. Which brings us to this crucial idea, agent-to-agent protocols, A2A.
A2A, okay.
Think of these as maybe the missing link for enterprise AI. They're what lets different AI systems talk to each other, share data, work together securely and intelligently right across the company.
So the days of just having one digital helper stuck in one department, those are numbered.
Pretty much over, yeah. Imagine, say, a customer service AI smoothly passing a tricky billing question to a specialized finance AI, which then loops in logistics AI to check an order status. All automated, all orchestrated, no human needed in the middle.
Wow. And Microsoft is a big name here, right? They're actually building this A2A stuff into the Microsoft cloud.
They are. It's not just theory. They're embedding it right into their cloud infrastructure so businesses can start using this, well, pretty much now.
So what does that look like practically? Tools like Microsoft Copilot or these AI Foundry agents?
Well, that's where it gets interesting because they stop being just assistants for individual people. They start orchestrating entire workflows, start to finish.
So less like a helper, more like a manager. A digital team lead.
That's a great way to put it. Yeah, much more digital team leader. They're becoming the conductors for your digital operations.
Okay, so let's tie this back to the fallen costs. If these systems are getting cheaper to run, what's the smart play today?
Well, the sources are suggesting something pretty bold. Maybe the smart move is actually to overbuild a bit right now.
Overbuild, meaning?
Meaning architect your systems to be really intelligence heavy today. Because by the time you're ready to scale them up properly, running them will be exponentially cheaper.
So you build for the future cost, not today's cost.
Exactly. It's like, buying land where a highway is going to be built. Invest before the boom. Designing for future pricing, anticipating that compute will be almost free. That's the new playbook.
Make intelligence core to the design from the start.
You got it.
So wrapping this up, the main takeaway for you listening seems to be AI isn't just getting cheaper. It's getting smarter, yes, but also much more collaborative. And that combination is going to be exponentially more transformative for how businesses run.
Absolutely. And the real paradigm shift, the huge transformation, isn't just the power of one AI agent. It's how businesses can actually harness this collaborative intelligence. That's what unlocks serious speed, efficiency, and growth. We're talking about entire digital teams of AIs reshaping operations from the ground up. So the question to leave you with is, looking at your own context, what kinds of new digital teams could you start imagining?
Thanks for tuning into AI for Executives by Chameleon. If you found today's episode valuable, don't forget to subscribe. For more resources and to learn how Chameleon can help accelerate your AI journey, visit chameleon.tech, where driving your evolution is in our DNA.